Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the Poco C31. It is one of the budget friendly phones which you can get for 8400, or if you are applying some cards, and for sale this is available for about 7000. So check out the link in the description guys if you are thinking of purchasing this. And let us just open the box and check out what else we get in the box guys. And we have the phone. I didn't want it to go with the regular black color, so I went ahead and ordered the blue one. This is the 3GB 32GB variant of it, and it really looks good guys. Even the color looks really poppy. I would say this is somewhat similar to a aqua color, but it is not exactly aqua. So let me just peel off the screen, which is sorry, not the screen, the screen guard, and which we get in the box. Also, if you like this kind of videos, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please press that bell notification icon to get any future updates. Also, do follow us on social media at the rate Creative Soft. And let us just check out what else we get in the box guys. So we have the standard charger, which is going to be a micro USB. I don't know why Xiaomi is not giving the type C chargers even for their budget phones guys. And this is a 10-watt adapter which we get it. We have the SIM ejector pin, which we have it over here. And I don't know if we are going to get some surprises like covers and all, and there are no surprises guys. Some documentation which nobody reads. It would have been a nice addition if they would have included a cover, but again, for this particular price range you cannot complain. And let us just go and open this and set this up. Also guys, please be very careful when you are setting up the Xiaomi devices, because they have got this kind of bloatware and all. And if you see the the interface and all, if you just check it, and this is how it looks, and you need to agree to the license agreement and all whatnot, and make sure just follow these steps guys. So if you don't want bloatware and all, and there are other ways also to remove the bloatware, but that is through ADB. You need to connect to your computer and all. And please just untick all this crap guys, because then you are just going to get some ads unnecessary. And in my case guys, I just unticked everything, all this and services and all, the face emoji, keyboard and all, and I opted out for something like a Google keyboard and all. So I'm not going to get any bloatware hopefully. And later on I went ahead and used ADB commands and removed all the default applications or the bloatware which was coming. So in the meantime guys, this comes with a fingerprint scanner also, and let me just show you how it looks guys. And it is pretty fast. For a phone which is costing about 7000, you cannot complain much. But there are preloaded bloatware apps, as you can see over here, the app vault and whatnot, which you will be using it at all. And be very careful guys if you are ordering these for an elderly member. So definitely you'll need to remove it. My only con would be this is not having the type C connector guys. And again, you cannot complain for this particular price range. And I try to uninstall most of these bloatwares which is come guys. So, and I never had any issues with the performance. Especially I had later on installed the games like Asphalt, which did not run so good. And but definitely you all can run some other games which are really working flawlessly on this. And Netflix and all, if you all are not using, you all can just install it guys, and it would take some time to get used to it. But again, even for a phone which is having a 3GB RAM and 32GB internal, I don't think so this is lagging in any department. Especially the screen quality is quite good. I really liked it. I was not expecting this good quality guys. Again, this is how you can remove it, and you'll need to set it up, whether there are other preferences and all. So I'll just be showing it directly over here, how to set this up and all. And you all can enable the dark mode etc if you all want, just to save your battery and all. So this is how it looks guys. And basically this would do is it looks really classy, especially once you enable the dark mode guys. So keep that in mind. And there are other things also, the other things and settings and all, which you all have to turn it off. And especially like categories and all, this has this kind of app drawer, which is not my most favorite, so I went ahead and changed that too. So let me know in the comments below if you are thinking of purchasing maybe something from other company which is having almost the similar name. I know other companies have also launched the similar phones with the same name. And in my opinion guys, honestly the service of Xiaomi is way better. The Poco is a way better device compared to this. And ironically, you are going to get a very good discount, especially for maybe next time when you exchange it. Let me just show you how the camera is. And camera is decent enough guys. Don't expect so much from the camera, because again this is a very low end device which is just costing around 8500. and this is how it looks. Let me also take a selfie and show it to you guys. And this and I think the maximum what you can shoot is 720p, or not sure, it won't support something like 4K, and also you all don't even have to bother it guys about this kind of things. And again, I'm not expecting much about this, but this camera really surprised me in terms of performance, because some other manufacturers are, for this particular price range, they are not giving you so many specifications. Again, this is my honest opinion guys. I did not nobody sponsored me. I just purchased this with my own money. And the Poco C3, I had the phone was the same phone, except for the fact that it was not having something like the fingerprint scanner. As you can see, after clicking this photo guys, this is turning out to be amazing, and the color are looking slightly different from what I'm able to see. Maybe it is having a slightly warmer tone in terms of click. And this is how the selfie looks guys, and I really wanted to show you all. And as you can see, the details in my beard etc, you all can see it like quite evidently, and even the hair. And also I assume that the beauty mode is not so much affected with this. Again, as you can see, my eyebrows and all, it is slightly vanished, but again you cannot complain much. I hope if you all are putting some other third party kind of software for the camera, definitely you all can get rid of this kind of issues guys. So even the camera, I would say thumbs up, especially if you are giving this to an elderly person who is not going to click so many photos and all. Again, the fingerprint scanner, which I really wanted to talk about, is very snappy guys, and you get some useless cameras also like the macros and all, which I don't know why the companies are giving a triple camera setup. They should have given a proper wide angle camera, maybe a telephoto and the normal camera. In fact, the normal camera is like 90% of the time which you'll be using for shooting this. And even the texture at the back guys is great. I was not expecting so good feedback from this. And let me just show you the fingerprint scanner after setting up my fingerprint. So I had no issues with it. Let me just open it. Let me just close this camera. Yeah, so now as you can see, the moment I touch it it opens, and it is very fast fingerprint scanner, not like somewhat like a Google Pixel and all, which had terribly slow fingerprint scanner even for the price range guys. I think they should take notes from Xiaomi when it comes to designing the fingerprint scanner and all. Overall, I just felt this device is balanced, and definitely it is going to be used by most of the people who have a very limited budget. Again, the call quality is not that amazing. It is somewhat okay, but the networks are quite good. It does not support the carrier aggregation, I feel so. And in my case, the speeds which I got was about somewhat like 15 Mbps guys, whereas if I'm using something like the iPhone, the speed is very good. And as you can see, there are some useless apps like this which does no good job guys. Again, I would recommend also to use a dedicated gallery guys, because Xiaomi gallery is full of bloatwares, I feel so. And let me know in the comments below if you are using a Xiaomi phone, you are thinking of purchasing Poco, because this is something like similar to a rebranded phone by Xiaomi, the Redmi 9i or something. And let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular topic. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out these awesome videos which we have it on our channel. And again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.